Today I thought I would show you what it's like to move into a construction project. Let's go inside. We moved in a week ago, and this is the status of things. There's the culprit, the chief culprit. Yeah. So we have a kitchen. It's pretty well put together. Only a few loose ends, but everything's unpacked. We haven't tested the water yet, so we're not sure about potability. Still trying to figure out the exact design of the fireplace, which, as you can see, is being used in its current precarious position. Then we have the laundry room. Just yesterday we got a washer and dryer, and yeah, we've got varying states of chaos, mayhem, and I don't know, a little bit of you name it happening just about everywhere. But that still works really well. And then you're probably wondering where we're sleeping. Well, it's not in this room, which has been named the tool room. And that's the construction workers' restroom. And then we have the room we're actually inhabiting right now, which is mostly clean. Well, mostly clean. And at least somewhat put together. However, I've been still shopping for light fixtures. And then this is the bathroom, and it's almost ready for being painted stage. But the good news is that we've got running water, a nice cozy bed to sleep in, heat source, and yeah, a place to cook food. So, what more can you ask for? Except 100% completion, which is inevitable.